Okay, in this problem we want to compute the limit of x squared minus 3y squared divided by x squared plus y squared, where both x and y are approaching 0. And so the first thing we want to do is simply plug. Plug. And if we simply plug in 0 for x and 0 for y, we get 0 divided by 0. And so this doesn't actually tell us much. And so what else we can do? The next step is to try factoring to cancel out, the numerator or the denominator. But we can't actually factor anything. So can't factor. And so for this question, we need to try something unique, where we say the limit x comma 0, essentially the x-axis. So let me change color real quick. So essentially x-axis. And so when we try this, what we're gonna get is of f comma x comma 0. And so we plug in x remains the same, so we get x squared minus now we insert 0 for y, so we get minus 0 divided by x squared remains the same plus 0. And so this equals 1. And what we're going to do is do the same thing but for the y-axis. And if the numbers match, that would be our limit. But if a number does not match, it would be undefined. So next we try limit as 0 comma y. So let me just switch colors and say y-axis. And so when we try this, we would get f parentheses 0 comma y. And so this would equal 0 minus 3y squared divided by 0 plus y squared, which equals negative 3. And this is the important step. So 1 and negative 3 are not a match. And so what we're gonna actually say is the limit of x comma y approaching 0 for f parentheses x comma y does not exist or undefined. And this is our final answer. And that's all we need to do.